Right, today my project is gonna be this sideboard beside me here. It was the base of a hutch, so the top is gone. The customer that had it, not the customer, but the person that sold it to the customer never had the top, so it's easy. We're just gonna have to fill the holes on top that had some plugs that held the top, and then we're just gonna turn this into an off-white. Maintain some silver tone, little tips on the end, a silver. We're gonna make this sweet. We're gonna do what we do. We're gonna make this right. Come, check this out. All right, so we're all set up. We're just gonna get the handles off, refinish the handles, make them nice and vibrant silver. And we're gonna get busy sanding. Sanding time. Let's do it.
Ignore the fact that this will never last. Your words come out so soothing that I forget that this thing is confusing. Having such a blast, but don't ask where my head is at. Cause I'm cruising through the rush of us. I don't care about love, just need your touch. Want you to be my vice, 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 vice. I'm all about your vibe, vibe, vibe. Me and you got that good, yeah, but I'm running like I'm lost in the woods, yeah. I don't really care, cause I just like it here. Me and you can't get enough, no, you know, acted, but I know this is a bluff, though. Having such a blast, but don't ask where my head is at. Cause I'm cruising through the rush of us. I don't care about love, just need your touch. Want you to be my vice, 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 vice. I'm all about your vibe, vibe, vibe. Want you to be my vice, 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 vice.
So I'm done sanding, and it's time to get this gun cleaned up. Remove any residue paint from the prior job, and then it's spray time. Once we're done spraying, we let that cure. It's time to lacquer, close it down, and it's game over. So let's get it done.